Yeme hunyina ache. Yeme hunyina akwaba. Ma feel brutal. Wa wo gibre bia na wo hwe bedwam bia ma feel brutal. Nyame nhire nyina no nye nyina kese. Ene ukuada June bosume de to so dubaako afimpi mienu ne aduonu enum. 11th June 2025. Medidi akwasinsi asem ne kabre ena edrusen. Na kwekwana no pay komo eba bedi nyina FM ofra no BECE en sohwe ya wo twere enne den. Say I start to be corrected. It looks as if say this is the first time who BECE a year train no midweek. Ya dem same paper ya na enka ehase adwada na enka ewie fiada. But many free idea and this is the first time who say year train BECE in midweek. Yes, I say be a Wednesday and any day apart from Monday. But ni nyina ye. You share mo frane well. You will be a trinkwa. You mpa bonse ni amosua no embra. Na mutimi pass with flying colors. Mo no man Ghana dachi ejina mo so. Mo na Ghana ehwe ni mo ede amamo. Ghana ndi aso nyina enemo. Se mo feel ya Ghana feel. Ete da bia de ni abrese betimi aboa se ne ebe ya. Mo bra na mo bono se sinto bi ebe bia betimi abo na etimi atretere no. Etema mutinkwa ye mpa bone se mo betimi atwere no atwere ne yie. Ye nya po bia emfamfiri mo. Emfa nu ba bia. Ko how kese wo apobo ho ayese. Wonim pefe pass wadamfo we. Ebo apo e no de pass ne ensohwe. No aba be ye medical doctor na do be kwa akoma na se wankasa do mu kwa akoma na se wonhwe no. Unso do afo ahye wadwua hyase on nanta. Ni obetimi atwere no twere. Eno ni wa ho oden ni obetimi atwere no twere. Emu bia na ada se kofa bi fa hye ho e na twimi fa ko itere bere emu bia na ada. Fo ho de onim de ne wasua no e fa ko. Monyame so mpaye. Kodwo mensa abrampa. Oko Adom newsroom a ade bi e fa education wo de insane ho. Kodwo mensa abrampa ye start anopa ya wabo aprobo kakra e won kran pompeni mantamu. Semno kase kodwo akopiem e won Nima cluster of schools. Yankohwe oduru wonom preparations and baby outdo akokọ no preparation so far et say kodwo mensa abrampa so otimi ka kodwo afa buana yenti ase so far probo no obo no senate
BECE Basic Education Certificate Examination na WAEC fo waze hyehyɛ no nde na wɔre hyase wɔ ɔmamuni na ɔmamuni na no WAEC na Ghana Education Service one statistics aba kyerɛ dɛ yɛhwɛ yim dɛ candidate another mmɔfra over 603,000 na wɔbɛtena ase na nde a wɔre hyɛ exams na ase wɔahyɛ nhwehwɛ na ase na wɔ Nima cluster of schools the man so na Ayawaso East Municipal Education Directorate say yan Dr. Chepo bezin komo na wa kire yan mafama dodo a obotwero e wo ha na nsa na no yema amanfo Adom ahwafo netiefu hu de nkan no BECE is yankan de e third day a wortwero exams no nanso afize wa hyase ana yare hyase Wednesday nde ukude na yehye BECE na ase Ghana Education Service the man so na wa yek za to yanyim de onam idiri ada holiday na wanyim eda pochen a obobo aboto no nti na oma waye nsesie wo timetable no ho a nde na wore hye BECE na ase nde Wednesday no na Wednesday another ukuda oda yanyim so wetum wawie Wednesday no se hwa maframa bebre na waba wa hwe yim de mpemfu bobo assembly no na waba na za wo ka kire wonyina no wa ka kire hon Ishom kakra ya kire de papers na obachura neze ni nyina ba boduru a wa hwe yim de tam no baso na mafama na akwatena ase na wetum watro nsahwa no yen sambre no yanye Municipal Education Director wo Ayawaso East Municipal Education Director Dr. Chepo nkomo ni anhwe mafama dodo a ya hwe yim de obachuro ewo ai municipality ni mu na center ha ankasa Dr. Chepo emwakwa baba Adom TV so doc so how many people are we expecting to write within the municipality?
Thank you very much. This is Ayawaso East Municipal Education Directorate, and we have 5 centers. We are expecting 1,196 students to write their exam. In fact, we have prepared them very well, and so they are ready. When you look around, you could see that they are very confident, and they are going to write the exam, and they will pass.
If you look at Nima cluster, how many schools are writing at this center?
We have 7 schools writing at Nima cluster, and the total number of candidates that are going to write at this center is 479.
Okay, so what time are we expecting the General Assembly and then the exams to start?
We are just getting ready. Our MC is on the way coming. We are also expecting our honorable minister. So by 8:10, we have started gathering the children. We will talk to them and encourage them and tell them not to entertain any fears. They should just go in and write the exam as the normal mock they have been writing. So by 9, they will be in the exam room and start the paper.
Okay, so what are the advice for people who are tempted? This time around, GES and WAEC is questioning about exam or practice. What is the advice to the candidates?
Yes, we met our supervisors and invigilators yesterday, and we briefed them. We told them nobody should indulge in exam or practice, because if they are being caught, WAEC and GES will deal with them. So we cautioned them very well, and they said they are ready to go and do the work with integrity and honesty without involving in any exam or practice.
See, I see say at Dr. Chepun, some was out to go as a municipality anymore. Why should you there, my from over 1,000? No, what your exams in the house, so schools in 5 schools. No, work and that a Nima cluster of schools center. How why should you there? What your exams no now on Chebiano by 8:10 say. Obey a General Assembly na ma order was to my former when him no was at him. I was here but my case in the pide. Say Cassezi and Yankasa many who papers na was abano ni na wabwa na was a baby order wakwa. What ye share na my former tenace na we tum abatanasa na we tum watra instruction. That's the way Echira at there bell no another Adom na wallba. What for assembly no na my former no waba no we na we be shemu hana MP the man so na director and some of our can if you sama or catch my former no we too much catch my former no na my former no as instruction as inti say as we chere kanda Nima cluster of schools I could sit them everyone no my former no na we na warba assembly a we hwe yim there as am so no be sha no nde ukuda na we hwe exams na so we hwe yim there nyame adom a ukuda ode yim so obehwe na we wie exams no nti se etemenka yeguda yewo aprabomu se etemenka Nima cluster of schools ha na oye center ayewaso East Municipal Education Directorate na Adom TV says ya gba yare hwe mbre nswahwa no orekwado nti se etemenka wonso na yenuanom a wawo bebi nka na why crowd da wonso wotwa hwamfo no wada kire Adom asofo na etefu no wontum wontuado
Kojo Mensa Abrampa Yamane Bo na Motina Manebo Edi Efre Nima cluster of schools and Manfani Enchre Obuase Woman Asante Mantem Isaac K. Nomanyo the super reporter. Ike morning. Isaac K. Nomanyo Bakwadie.
Yamia Dumo.
Yere Yamia say Obuase so preparation to say.
Se si amino ka say de aprobono be koso wa adanse ene ne mpate mu no ya sase e wo adanse north mensin be dia mi ginan eye Dompoase high school nkwala bebo afa ene akire ena 347 ena omo etro e wo sa center we na ha no mo centers mako miensa ena wo district no 4 ena wo district no ba na TI Amas Formula ena Asarbedi Aku Senior High School ena ATC practice and also sawa krokere so 4 centers ena ne omo etro na ubepie mo mensiri mu a enkwara mako 1204 ena na ombenya akwenya atro na emu 644 eye ema ena 560 eye emema ena ne omobenya akwenya atro ewa ha na edikan abepie mo school mu abaika tipeni o mensiri mu eye setas edi aso ne ne je ho party ni dina gasa eye Charles Kofi Obe na do ya de friend no eye setas o one the district director na wɔn nam a wɔn na pesade member na wɔn nam wɔn bɔ prɔbɔ ɛhyɛ nkɔda no so ɛwɔ ha na mi mpɛ sɛ nsɛm no bɛ no yɛne dc ɛhyɛ aseɛ ne ewia ne director wie ne ebisa wɔn sɛ ahoboa bɛn ɛna ɔna afutuo bɛn so ana nneɛma bɛn so ɛna nɛ wɔde abɛn nkwadaa chief Adom TV so ne yɛnhyɛ ɛnɛ di asɛm ɛna wɔ ɛka kyerɛ yɛn nuanom nketewa yi a anaasɛ yɛ mmɛyɛ a ɛnɛ wɔn kɔkyerɛ sɔhwɛ
yo meda ase mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛma Adom TV etiefo nyinaa from Adanse North afutuo a yɛde ama ɔmo yɛ start afutuo no deɛ akyɛ yie paa na ɛnɛ ɛna yapumpɔn so sɛ ɛnɛ na ɔmo start yɛba ha ebetu ɔmo fo sɛ wei ɛyɛ adedada exams no ɔmo tra difference biara enim deɛ ɔmo start from JHS 1 na ɔmo de bedu JHS 3 ɛno ɛna yɛhwɛ mu no yɛayɛ dɛn yɛyi questions no bi de ama ɔmo eti matu ɔmo fo sɛ ɔmo ntwerɛ exams no wɔ aniberɛ so na ɔmo nsa ɛnyɛ dɛn nto ɔmo bo na ɔmo read questions no yie na yɛ questions a ɔmo ahu ɛwɔ ɔmo textbooks mu na mo biara ɛmfa foreign materials biara sɛ ɔkɔ akɔdua pɔɔ na wakyɛw bibi ama nam so am yɛ kyɛw ɔmo papers no masatu teachers for invigilators no for sɛ ɛdi kwan sɛ ɔmo gure nkɔla ne bebree ɛwɔ sɛ at least ɔmo yɛ dɛ ɔmo anya abotrɛ ɛde yɛ dɛ ɛde ma ɔmo sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkɔla no ɔmo mfa agyamhyehyɛ ɛntwerɛ exams no mmom nkɔla a ebi ɔmo bɛyɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔmo de foreign materials anaasɛ examination or practice ɛbɛyɛ deɛ ɔmo mmɔmɔden na yɛnyɛ dɛ yɛntwerɛ ɔmo aso yɛnkɔ ɔmo fa mmerɛfa nti because yɛtete mmɔfra no ɛwɔ ɛkwan pa so nti afutuo a yɛde abɛ ɔmo ano.
So mini education director nso ɛwɔ ha yɛde director nso ɛni nkɔmɔ na yɛbisa sɛ ahoboa bɛn na ɔmo de gu akwan mu ɛde ma ɛyɛ nkwadaa ɛna ɛnɛ nso ɔba bɛduru ano afɛ ɔwɔ bibi baako mmienu ɛde ka kyerɛ nkwadaa yɛ ana.
Yo meda wase nkwadaa ne deɛ yɛtesi wɔn mu yie paa sɛ yɛnim sɛ nsɔhwɛ yi ɛɛba nti ɛhyɛ aseɛ akyɛ a yɛnim sɛ ɛnɛ nyame yɛ adom a nkwadaa no nso ɛbɛda deɛ wɔn asua no ɛdi
na busy na fadra fa aba kwabra kesidi
wonkata yɛ mu na woka bibi sɛ wompɛ sɛ akwadaa baako anaa kyerɛkyerɛ ni a wɔbɛhwɛ nsɔhwɛ so bɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɛde anim guaseɛ anaasɛ ɛde bibi bɛbrɛ ɛyɛ nsɔhwɛ na deɛ ne wahu nti a wotu saa fo yi
deɛ nti a me kasa ne sɛ wohwɛ ɛbere kakra a ɛtwa mu a nsɔhwɛ emu enwiaeɛ malpractices a ɛkɔ soɔ no ɛmmoa ɔman no ɛmmoa nkwadaa no ɛmmoa yɛn atikyafoɔ nso so ɛfiri sɛ nkwadaa yi a na ɔmo bɛyɛ yɛn mpanimfoɔ daakye enti saa bere sɛ korɔ no ɛna wɔnom de hyɛ aseɛ deɛ a sɛ daakye sɛ ɔmo bɛdi ɔman yi so anaasɛ ɔmo nya biapa bi gyina ɛwɔ ɔman yi mu a deɛ ɔmo ahyɛ aseɛ wɔ ha yi ɛno ara na ɔmo bɛda n'adi daakye enti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛsiesie wɔn sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a daakye wɔn ankasa asetena no ɛbɛyɛ yie a kɛtɛasehyɛ ne corruption biara ɛmma wɔn mu akwan mu na atia wɔn mu abɛtia ɔman Ghana nso so aka ho bi ɛno nti abere biara ne yɛtu wɔn fo sɛ wɔn nyɛ ahwɛ yie ne examination of practices no ɛho ɛno nti ɛna mema wɔn mu saa afutuo no yɛda ase
asɛ kio no manyɔmɛda ase mamfa wo ɛsia no na mekɔ tɛma na me ne Bella so ɛnkɔtwe ɛkɔmisa sɛ sɛda tɛmadeɛ so ɛteɛ Bella, good morning.
Okay, the general preparation.
Hello, Bella.
Yes.
Afe tema so dia na kwaso ho.
Oh, betie mu ha temade ameka say school for no bibia ekoso boko e wa ha no say temade e tema metro ene tema west municipal assembly mu etwa but say an ye wo tema west ya ha na ye say ko school for ni na aba omo wa assembly afi na omo ebehye exam na say na ye hu say obi mami bi so wa say o hu so next ye hu so ni nkola no so kata nti ye bi san say normally na edu say na ya na nkola no ehu eka omo nti as health official wa ha say no arrangement be na omo aye so far ma nkola madam pacho na ye pacho family vision ablafogo okay we ye hwan mini nurse yademi ato dwumadie yi ho na anope ye nokre we have engaged the students ampa na ye hu say omo ye a little anxious nti ye ni omo akasa so far no 14 schools and a bachelor exams no 2 of them are pregnant. Okay. There is no physically challenge nti ejidi say even though two pe enyem no mpo no omo kra mo wo omo wo hope eno mo wogidie say omo tumi atro exams ntu no maba etisi ano ye was clinic wo school mo ha yetema secondary school ye friend la bruise ho na say nkola ni bi hia immoa concerning omo health omo tumi aba for necessary treatment. That okay. See, so far schools ni na amaba obi aba. Hello, me bra.
Bella.
Yes.
Eti afiyantwe students ni nyina aba bedru.
Students ni na aba bedru se omo wie omo assembly ha se tema wa ni students ni na aba bedru a se ya mo kwa assembly wi a se na nurse ne kai no omo encourage omo ni kasa. Area almost first time exams are almost no. Almost word of encouragement. Send a bear. Almost both baby. If you almost see various teachers so from various schools, so any of students no. Kasa send a bear. The other also ye ever had say. Aha, tema West there. Almost ever tema school. Aha, no ye kasa fi. If you have a better tema metro, so now you just na a horse to send a nyama ACA.
Okay. Matibela better sibre. Weba bacho. Meko Zoom na mene ora kofi asare peripo ne da edu watch ano enso akotwe enkobo ade baako ha ye pedru so hwetwe se ya na examination leakage etu behwe no na enkwada ebi omunim hu bi ana wonim hu bi no yakɔhodi omu purpose na ebi edisua akachi afi etwam ya ede bia baako epem so ahwan kopie mu Asem ni bia kwabere betimi afa so betimi deal with this examination malpractices and the leakages ye mo frey edisuam owura kofi asa oti aka mo achi emu akwaba edeba bedwem so on Adom TV
nia ichiamu ni etiefo ni ahwefo ni na
etiefo ni ahwefo ejo so eda sa no peso agebre anybody enkomo yes ko another examination war in quotation mark. Ekwebe na fi said this time fa so betimi aboa na ye yi sa leakages and more prices in free mu ni en sa anko wie se de ko wie last year de no
yo examination of MC BECE ni the questions no leaky.
Okay.
Na aya na more of examination more practice in kwala ra examination hall na aya na ebi no mo the answers and as ebi mo de predetermined answers eba ebimo the foreign materials eremu ebimo the phones eremu na omo copy answers manfo edina bebia omo tro edit WhatsApp and Telegram platforms so mo any idea a common form of examination or practice na afibia no wae so omo saka sa ankola ya o tro mo aso na you feel say you do maybe wo ye and education sector now I was say yeah train na aso edina so say examination or practice no I don't believe friend a manifestation of integrity deficits in our system and yet primarily a WIAC issue. Okay, WIAC a role to play, but the questions are not leaking. A dynamo one no. Nyamande no WIAC a role at a young pet. Ne fapem pa no efrifie. Esan say o titi akwala no e kwan so a obema na tie ase se social alcotree sua niye okwa na wa tro ne obetimi atro eno anu no o tro wo de wi a na wa ye den wa sorry enhwe obi ade so na sa wa tro ne onimpe na kwotro sa wo fie awofo ina atumi etu ombafo e wo ha a omo ye exam ebedu BECE no ehia so obehwe se police for and as regulators and now why for very very vigilant na dia akani na ehia eje bia me de me banu school mfato no de bia me ka me banu se oye exam sa okwa on throw ne with my chope owie no ano no hunu se ne ref bibia na twese wo so ochena osua de yi won see examination parties biya or hoda omo crampo de on papers yi the back Ghana Cambridge the back Ghana best 1 month papers no it make keep you Ghana 1 month and so en likida and you know the system trains the children to be of high integrity emo mo see assess examination no mo no and yet do or die and yet a test of whether you are useful or useless there be ye pese ye carry in pempenso an ye kire wo no wetimi aden ate ase and unti said they will see class test said they will see mock e school no saa suna na do kwa koye examination na BECE and unti no do na na gina wo no so saa wo no ye na ye man nkasa na se omote ase se integrity matters me hu ne enti akwala ne papa eni ma na trade integrity no or de apo ebehye ne ho or de mobile phone ebehye ne ho na akọ titi e examination hall onim say e na e be cancel papers
okay yeah menim say na say wo ka medwaku amampani power say yen hwe ne ntim nya sakra o Ghana ye de sua enyina mu ye dey say over 200 suggestions na ebaye committee amoye ho adman. What were some of the conclusions and the recommendations amumeki here when it comes to examinations of this nature?
Well, me report na dem amampani.
Okay.
Enti amampani na so de tudwa.
Okay.
I'm fine tudwa no mean to me in can report no asem bi anche.
Okay.
Na emomu no Africa Education Watch na many omo yeduma no in the past 6 years no Ghana high a leading organization ya champion reforms in our assessment sector BECE and WASI. One of the proposals I did to since last 2 years. In fact, political parties in the choir campaign currently engaging both MPP and the NDC manifesto committees on education. But quite the say one of the main reasons into BECE, more practice on the economy say Obonifa is a high stakes examination.
Okay.
So only okoye examination na I said there a do or die.
Yeah.
Also you try everything possible say also won't die you be do high stakes. In the high stakes nature a amount for need that level of integrity and finding all the necessary ways to pass because so am pass ya or the school up.
Yeah.
Into one of the recommendations you make here and say here say a BECE 8 subjects, 9 subjects. If I so be any so, an unnecessary stress and a demand color. Tamanana BECE 8, 9 subjects na no. Satana BECE na a terminal examination. The terminal like I say. So what course school we basic education now? We terminate or junior high school 3. Na amount certificate. In Satana BECE a terminal examination a amount certificate. That's why Nana Etisa. But you see how there BECE, and yet terminal examination purposely for school placement.
Okay.
In fact, so BECE, you're back pay. A trend near Obeko school, be a Benku secondary school. School I'm in a coy. And then maybe another school or Prempe, and another school of mine, and another school per sec. And no pay internet BECE in the year.
Okay.
And until say terminal examination, you might assessing and now my certification in all the subjects there. And you say be BECE in all the subjects.
Okay, it's Adom.
Yeah, I tell you what near the two political parties then you say. Reduce number of subjects
Okay.
Embra 4.
Okay.
Maths, English, science. And maybe a general paper. Not general paper no. And yeah, other subject in crack. No more no multiple questions.
Okay.
Multiple answers, sorry, multiple choice questions. Okay. Now, or maybe reduce stress level. Say that in 3 days, why BECE we are maybe in 2 days, 4, 2 a day, so 2 a day. Now I reduce stress now for go through. So reduce the cost of administering BECE. Essentially reduce the cost of the financial cost of running BECE.
Okay. Go me know we were Adom. So we share last year SSC Emma a treye na a doso che mema. This year BECE Emma ya a tre a doso che mema. We ya dia enka na nka yenta ehunu ne sa trend na ekono eye ne papam and if he say Emma doso che mema nti ene ewu sa figure
Data from the Ministry of Education, so the system, your transgender parity.
Okay.
By 2021, you be gender parity.
Yeah.
It's time you try gender parity at the basic level. There are more girls than boys across board in our senior high schools. Since 2023, we've been recording more girls than boys right in the BECE.
Yeah.
At the national level. But then your regions be on more often say you're more girls than boys, more boys than girls, especially in the northern part of the country. You know, was that there are more boys than girls at the regional level. But yeah, national level regulation now, a track a cry 49 point, a track a cray.
Yeah.
And you know, a manifestation of the data, the statistic within the basic education system, and at the same time, so they reflect the population dynamic. We have a little fewer males than females in the general population, and it's a good say a man no does change member of Ghana hunting. You are more a man kakrebi say airtro BECE than a member. It's also true say Ghana you're making progress in reaching gender parity.
Okay.
Gender parity as a target in sustainable development goals and Ghana's education strategy plan now. And yet, say more and more than remember, Debbie. And you said the ratio of men to women, ratio of males to females, say the same.
Okay.
In this case, the ratio is not the same. In fact, we are not at par. We must always be at par. Into our try and you're good. Oko below so and you're good. But for girls' education, because for a country that has invested so much in promoting girls' education, girls' enrollment, especially girls' retention and girls completing basic school, before say a good omen indicating a level of success for girls' education interventions, including community and then family level commitment and towards enrolling their girls in school.
Education. Kofi yabada se kofi asare pedipa no ene da edu watch anam te se ne no etwetwe ekobodo enti weba so wosa wayek for data da fatos mame na ye ma hwefo ehwe ade ansa na magibo de ma oman ne kwabena santem enti so we dey say wayek data na e bai no edisuafo a etwere afi ensohwe no eye 603,328 emu 297,250 ene ye mema ene mu 306,078 a year ema. This is a breakdown. Greater Accra, ema dos na social. Say East na, mane mema no, pem so ekakra, ena Central so, the same Western. Mamsha Ashanti region kwa jamana titim kura. Ena Blue so, emane ewe ni mu, Blue East, emane we ni mu, ahafu die. Emema no wani mu chen manti emema atwere anso hafi ewa hafo no edoso chen ema atwere oba voter so a ema no wani mu ena kọ oti so a emema atwere afi no edoso chen ema atwere ena kọ northern regional emema atwere afi no edoso chen ema ya atwere eji wo ba bia na owura Kofi Asare ekeka no your some regions bi won mu a the girl child education no still also improving the year. Also improving the year. But from Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Western of Ashanti, Bono East. Ebe suwa ni nyina na. Just say emano ekwanimu. But say but mami data no. But so oti eba from Kakra about the northern part na. So now oti region, northern region. Eyadia emema no edoso. Northeast emema no edoso. Savannah emema no edoso. Upper East and a mano edoso. So it means also girl child education. Yes, I have for voter, I have for OT, Northern, Northeast, and I have Savannah, and so yes, I have for we show. A member treasure of you know, edoso chain and ma a wahafo. Or my Kwabana at a Sumaboko there.
They will say I have for
yes,
a mano,
a member edoso chain bano.
But
overall, a man does check member no fee.
So what's the difference? Go to her for let me see.
So okay, so Oshe are for now. A member is 6,313. And a man is 6,262.
Okay, not bad. Not bad.
That's 51 difference.
And maybe I'm now call Eastern is what I say.
It's you for Eastern region so a man no 27,490. and a member 27,269.
Ashanti region is saying.
Ashanti region and Mano 60,460. And a member 58,894.
Good. In the next time, if I break down the work, Kumau,
Okay.
Kwabeng, Kenya.
Okay. Martin.
Kenya 1 and 2.
May you hold my watch now?
Break down.
Why?
Okay. Because me that's it. Akwaba so.
Me that's it.
Mama bibia ya kama. Mo display me ya Santini ewo honom. Yeda mo ase. Me kai say de make akwasi nanim wasua besi enrada. Nyame na besi nyame de wa mai sa erefie ni sa de na nkane oba ogususu. Nti ko si nyame hira woni uti ni nyina. Mo ya adwuma kase. Na titu ni bi ni oba kai titu bi eba o.
Oh, me kai titu bi say your man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Your former president, Yakopon do more ache Didi na kaso by John Ajekum Kofo and Afena na Adom Kofo nti we e dom yeah and na no juada e ba Asante Mampong nti Asante your man no e na no juada e dedi ye wa Asante Mampong aman hene wa Asante man makumako aduonum enum 55
they did it
and e ba Asante Mampong Paramount Chiefs.
Omo more than 55.
Omo 66.
Hey.
Asante Amahini nyina
and
66.
They all joined. 55 they joined.
55 ni but with 85 VIP buses from Menchia to Asante Mampong.
Hey.
To we nyina we ya ke Amahini we ye Amahini ye ke o.
Nti we nye minipa
Okatechie.
We nye
Okatechie we.
Enu Okatechie dey.
Yes. Usoba Amahini na ye wo ahemfo ai wo sa Amahini ase. Omo nyina so bai.
Oh.
Na so ba Asante man dia ye puye ni hwe opemso ni ahwe Amahini. Eti Amahini e ka wasem out of 66 no emu 55 ene ba na anoju ada.
Let me senior brother ka Okumawu.
Yes, Kumawu man bai.
Oi. So I see me Murphy. It because we go through the process is a normal person.
Don't be ready TV show. Where you don't yeah na.
What?
But in fact, my penny in the pen for cry no kwan cry ya put you for come in there.
Okay.
Na there dey papa.
It ma memfa wo sombo so kai kwasi agiman.
Yes, me can.
Yes. Na kwasi agiman.
Yes.
Nyame ya adoma ne hokani 1 week observation.
Yeah.
Ebeba so Mrs. Elizabeth Agiman. Dra friend na najewa. Nyame adoma ya wada there ni me the 12th of June. E wona na kwasi agiman residence so.
Sure.
Nti yenka adofo na omunkotai abusuachi. The banner, so we said the banner ayana osa gidigidi be engineer house. Yeah. Oh, where the yako kese pa. Akosi akwaba bi mtebe
share. But I feel
Opim so no.
Yes, opim so no.
Na osesa no predodo be say
okọ adankora ni mo mkoye amamre de akosie da se be no eye soronko. E na we ye no de pie abonten.
Opim so no o angel onye normal ayi.
Asante your mind.
Me chaso
Na naja kuma di fie yotos mi na Asante Mampong hima so da obi ase. Odaga na man nyina ase. Sembeta na chi amotimi apɛ ne wofa krabea Asante Mampong so ye ni so ni Asante man ene Ghana man nyina ayde amaman ne kwabra Asante eto aso.